Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you turn off your history in Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to turn off the chat history, you just simply have to open this chat application. And after opening the application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, just simply select the chat which you would like to turn off the history for. Now after opening the chat, just simply tap to the profile of the person, and after that this history is on option will appear. Now in order to turn off the history, you just simply have to disable this toggle for history is on, and after disabling the toggle, the history will successfully be off for your chat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.